Okay, so this video is about how to change a cabin air filter in a 99 to a 2002 GMC Chevy. So I'm making this video to help my students and give them something to do at home. Underneath we have these little screws. They're about 7 millimeters. So just take your little ratchet, your socket, and just go ahead and start undoing it. You can just get it to where, just pull it out by hand. So this is how they look. So we're just gonna put them in a safe spot. That way we don't lose them. So there should be about 3 of them. Okay, there's one more under here. What you want to make sure is that these little nipples here are not broken, and keep in mind that they're plastic, so you definitely don't want to break it. All right, this is where our cabin air filter is going to sit. So there's 2 filters in here. I'm going to assume that it is very disgusting. So anytime you buy a pre-owned or used vehicle, you want to make sure that you definitely want to change out the differential fluids, the oil, the transmission fluid, and just flush it out, radiator fluid and all that. So there's one more screw sitting right here, and what we want to do is take a 7/32 and go ahead and take it off. There we go. Just put that back on. All right. So all we're gonna do now, after taking off the bolt or screw, so we want to go ahead and kind of loosen the back, pull it down some. And up here, you're just gonna kind of push that forward. There we go. All right. All right. So definitely gonna leave this here. And as you can see, there's already a bunch of stuff that came out. Okay, so this is gonna be pretty disgusting. As you can see, all right, pull that out. Okay, there's one. There should be one more in there, way in the back. So all you gotta do is reach back there, just kind of pull it forward towards you. Wow, look at that, a lot of dust. All right. Okay. So these were probably have never been changed out. Okay. So that's the inside. There's a bunch of stuff here, so what you want to do is clean it out. If you have a shop vac, that'd be an ideal time to get everything out. Now here's where your AC sits. If you see fluid, there's probably something going on with your AC, and you definitely want to take a look at that. All right, now here's our new cabin air filters. So what you want to do is go ahead and open it up. Should come with 2 brand new air filters. As you can see here, there's an arrow and it says airflow. Now, air is coming in from the right and it's going left, so you want these arrows definitely pointing in the direction of your air conditioner. Now that's all cleaned up, we're going to go ahead and install this. Let's just go ahead and push it up. And just push it back. Should line up. Now remember, you want those arrows pointing to the left and in the direction of the airflow. All right, there we go. So we should be good to go. Now we just put this back. So go up, push, connect, and re-screw it. Okay. And then tighten it up with your ratchet. Again, you don't want to break it, you just want to put it in snug. You don't want to break the plastic. All right, and there you go, and that's all you do to replace your cabin air filter in the 99 to 2002 GMC Chevy vehicles. And there's the old one, old filter. All right, now that we are finished, we're gonna go ahead and turn on the vehicle. Looks like I need to take a look at that ignition switch. So let's go ahead and try it out. All right, airflow is a lot stronger. It's a lot cooler, cleaner. Okay, changing out the cabin air filter is pretty simple. Should be the same across the different varieties of vehicles. Have fun with it. Recommendation would be to change out your cabin air filters every time you change out your air filter when you do oil changes. All right, hope you enjoyed it. Stay safe.